Hello everyone and welcome to my ClickBank Passive Income Elite review. So before talking about this product and what it can really give to you, let's focus a bit about this guy, Patrick Chan, the founder, so we can understand what he made in the past and why today is so successful. So Patrick Chan for sure is most known for his ClickBank passive income program, but he became very successful simply as an affiliate of ClickBank. He has been in 12 different countries speaking to large audiences mainly about how to make money online. He started his career in 2003, but he really took off in 2005. So basically, he spent 2 years to refine and bring to the top his business. He is also a writer. He wrote a lot of books, but probably the most famous is this one, Clicking Cash, which was a best-selling book in 2012, and this book was reviewed also by Bill Bartman. This guy was a billionaire that founded CFS2, which is one of the biggest financial recovery company in US. And also Patrick Chan was reviewed by Russell Branson. This guy is the most talented online marketer today in USA for sure. He founded the ClickFunnels. He wrote a lot of books and made a lot of stuff. I mean, he has a net worth of 35-40 million dollars. So for sure, if he gives a review to somebody, that review has at least some value. I mean, I don't know if you get the point. So now let's jump to the most important and interesting thing about this product, which is for sure the 30-day money-back guarantee. I mean, this is something that everyone who purchases a product would like to see, because simply if you don't like the product, you have your money back. It is written down here. If you're not 100% satisfied with it for whatever reason, let me know within the next 30 days and I'll issue immediate free 100% refund. I mean, also 30 days, it's quite a lot. Often you see a money back guarantee with a smaller time period, like 7 days or 15 days, but this is pretty valuable. Now we can talk about the product, the ClickBank Passive Income Elite System. We have to say that before the Elite System, there was simply the ClickBank Passive Income without the Elite word. But this system, this program, had some issues that are collected on these 4 points, because you simply duplicated the Patrick Chan's system, but you couldn't put your name on it or your brand on it. Also, you couldn't promote products other than ClickBank products. You couldn't customize your funnels, and there was no coaching. But today, with the ClickBank Passive Income Elite system, you have the total control of the system. It is also written here. When you choose to use this system, you will get an exact clone of my proven successful business with the potential to generate passive income from it. So here is our cap in these 8 points of what you don't need to do. For example, you don't need to get any email marketing because you swipe the emails from Patrick Chan. So basically you have a completely done for you system with also the coaching. I mean, this is pretty valuable for sure. So now let's see how much does this product cost. I mean, here we have 2 choices. The more expensive is the 12-month plan, so I recommend you to opt for the cheaper one, which is a one-time of investment. If you click right here, you will jump in this page, the secure order page of ClickBank Passive Income Elite. You can select also a language different from English, and there is a reminder of the 30-day money-back guarantee. If you are not satisfied, in the first 30 days you will have your money back. You can choose your payment method, credit card or using your PayPal account. And another nice thing is that if you select your country, you can see, for example, let's assume you live in India, you can pay with the local currency, so you don't have to pay an exchange rate in case of the credit, in case of you're selecting the credit card as payment method. Okay, so now you're ready to be trained by this guy, Patrick Chan, and his coaching. So you are ready also to make big commissions on ClickBank. Thank you.